example sum 5.36. Find the equation of the straight line parallel to y-axis. If the equation of the straight line is parallel to y-axis means we call it as a x is equal to c. We take it as a distance from that is x is equal to c is the distance. Parallel to this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and parallel to y-axis means the distance between this line is x is equal to c. That is the form, right? Intersection of the line 4x plus 5y is equal to 13 and x minus 8y plus 9 equal to 0. The two equations is given. By using these two equations, we want to find the coordinate points. For solution, I take the first equation, that is 4x plus 5y. I take this constant term to this side, so minus 13 equal to 0. I take equation number 1. See the second equation, x minus 8y plus 9 equal to 0 is the second equation. Here we can use any one of the method, either substitution method or elimination method or cross multiplication method to find the x and y points, right? That is the coordinate point here. Here I am going to use the elimination method. See, I am going to cancel the x value, means interchange the value of coefficient of x. Here we have 1, here we have 4. So you must take this equation must be equal, means second equation should be multiple by 4. First equation as it is 4x plus 5y minus 13 equal to 0. Second equation is multiple by 4, we get 4x, 4 8s are 32y plus 4 9s are 36 equal to 0. Now when we subtract this, we have to change the symbol. Here we have plus symbol, so minus. Here we have minus, so plus, and then minus, right? Now 4x plus and minus both are cancelled. See, 5y plus 32y is equal to 37y. Here both having the negative symbol, so put minus. Sum of this number is 49 is equal to 0. Then we want to find the value of y. So 37 y is equal to, I take this 49 to another side, we get plus 49. Then y is equal to 49 divided by 37. This is the y value. Now put the y value in either in equation number 1 or 2. Here I take that in the second equation. Equation number 2 is x minus 8y plus 9 equal to 0. In the place of y, I am going to apply the value 49 divided by 37. Now multiple this term, what you get? X minus 8 9s are 72, 2 remainder 7, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 7 is 39 divided by 37 plus 9 equal to 0. Now you take both the term to another side, then x is equal to, this is plus the 392 divided by 37 minus 9, right? If you take this, next we want to find the value of x. So taking LCM here, 37 into 9, 9 7s are 63, 6 remainder, 9 3s are 27 and then 33. Then x is equal to 392 minus 333 divided by 37. Then x is equal to denominator as it is 37. When we subtract this, 392 minus 333 means here we get 8, 12. 12 minus 3 is 9, 8 minus 3 is 5, and then 0, that is 59. So x is equal to 59 divided by 36 and y is equal to 49 divided by 36. Therefore the point x comma y is equal to, we have 59 divided by 37 and y value is 49 divided by 37. Here we want to find the equation of the straight line parallel to y-axis, right? The equation of straight line parallel to y-axis means x is equal to c. That is the formula I already told you. Now here in the place of x value is 59 divided by 37, so x value is 59 divided by 37. 59 divided by 37 is the answer. Therefore x is equal to 59 divided by 37. We want to form an equation, means equal to 0 term. Take this 37 to this side, we get 37x is equal to 59, and take the 59 to another side. 37x minus 59 is equal to 0 is the equation of the line parallel to y axis. Thank you, students.